All right, this tip is about 5S'ing, about how, in my experience here, it really has been 3 steps forward and sometimes 2 steps back. What I mean is this, man, when we got started, I didn't know how to design these things, and sure, I could have taken hours and hours and hours in a computer or with pen and paper, pencil paper, to try and figure out where do I put all this stuff so that in one fell swoop, I can place everything exactly where it needs to go. But that's so unrealistic, and I didn't have time to do that. I had 15 minutes on some shifts, maybe a half an hour to do some work here, or on a slow closing shift when I'm the only person in the stall. I'm up in the front and I race back here to the back and I got a mallet and I'm whacking my shelves. Woo! It's all right. The Oreos get crushed anyway. But I'm here with a hammer and I'm whacking the shelves to try and, you know, raise them or lower them before I have a customer at the front. So I'm constantly checking the front every few minutes. I mean, that's what you got to do, right? At least when you own the business and you want to make progress, you do what you got to do. So 5S though, I don't have a crystal ball. I couldn't have told you that this is where it would be at right now when getting started at the beginning. And sometimes I might have raised this one up here and then I discovered, shoot, well, I just realized a new problem and I need to lower it, right? So these shelves have shifted up and down as I progressively improve the inventory storing, the inventory storage here. And I've just kind of realized that that's kind of the nature of 5S. It's never perfect when you get started. There's constant change. And I think I'll be way more relaxed about it in the future as I get going with 5S activities, because nobody knows what to do forever, for all of time when they get started. Sometimes you only see, you know, you might only have enough vision to go the first quarter mile. And then once you get to that quarter mile mark, then you have more vision for the next half mile, perhaps, right? And maybe even go too far and you got to back up a little bit. That's okay. That's just how things go. There's going to be a lot of moving pieces. Things move forward, things move back. But as long as you have a true north where you have a goal and you're problem solving well, you're going to move in general in the right trajectory.